Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, this is my 2020 Ford F150. This is lead foot gray. I got a bull bar, got a front light bar, color matched Ford Raptor grille. We've got some LED pod lights here. We've got upgraded fog lights down here. And recently we just installed these aftermarket power folding, power telescoping tow mirrors from my friends over at Boost Auto Parts. Boost Auto Parts makes a ton of different aftermarket products, not just for Fords, but for Toyotas, Rams, all that good stuff. But they sent me out this pair of tow mirrors to install and do a little review video for you guys. And I've had these on my truck now for quite a while now. It's just taken me a while to make a review video for them. As you can tell, the truck's a little dirty. The mirrors themselves have some dust on them, but hey, it's a truck, not a show car, right? But I have been super impressed and super happy with the way that these guys have performed, how much extra visibility they've added as far as what I'm able to see. I'll show you guys a little size comparison between what the stock mirrors show in the review as far as what you can see compared to these guys here. Also, I will show you guys a little clip right now. These guys are power folding and power telescoping now. Everything happens from the inside control panel of your truck. They send you the wiring. The installation is super easy. It did not take me very long at all. They've got some really good, really in-depth installation videos on their channels. I pride myself on, when I make videos for this channel, I try and make it painstakingly step-by-step process of how to do something, how to install something. And the way that they did their videos for how to install these mirrors, honestly, it's so good. I decided to just refer you guys to those videos because the way that they did it was super thorough, super in-depth, and very easy to follow. So that video will be linked down in the description of this video. Give you guys a quick side-by-side comparison. So this is the mirror that came off of the truck stock, and obviously this is the mirror that we've got installed on it now. Looks way cooler. Bigger is definitely better in this situation. You can get different colors also. These mirrors are actually very customizable. This guy you can get, I got it in like the black smoke lens. You can get different colors for this as well. Also, this top cap, you can order from Boost Auto Part, it color matched to your truck. So this is a lead foot gray. So in theory, you would have the option to order these from Boost Auto Parts, color matched to the lead foot gray from the factory. So that's really cool as well. I'll give you guys a quick shot of what the rear view mirror space you would have on the stock mirror as opposed to how much room you now have back here. So imagine that top part being this top part, but this is bigger, and then now you have this side as well. And again, remember, these guys are power folding and power telescoping out. Everything is using the same OEM functions on your armrest in your truck already. They'll send you wiring, they'll send you instructions. Everything that you see here is going to be super plug and play. Literally, this guy over here, this pops out, and this entire casing shaped plastic part is exactly the same size as this. There was no trimming needed, there was no wiggling or jigging or fitment or banging on it with a hammer needed. It fit right in. They did a really good job of making sure that this was going to be a true OEM plug and play part. I do want to mention as well, tow mirrors are very commonplace as far as being an aftermarket part, but finding good ones is not common. A very normal thing you'll see in like reviews for the less expensive ones on Amazon or eBay, not knocking anybody specifically, but you'll notice in a lot of the reviews they'll talk about rattling and road noise. So as you're driving, these things will shake, and you won't, when you're looking in the rearview mirror, you won't actually be able to see a clear picture and focus because there will be so much movement and rattling. I have not experienced any of those issues with these guys right now. As I've said, I've had these on my truck for quite a while. Life got a little crazy, so it took me a little while to make this review video, but as far as installation goes, 10 out of 10, super easy. As far as instruction goes from what you get from this company, 10 out of 10 as well. Like I said already, I pride myself on being thorough with all of my installation review videos, and they did a phenomenal job of doing that as well. And then obviously, guys, the reason we all want these in the first place, just the looks. I mean, they just add such a meaner, such a bigger, cool shot and look to the truck. Just looks so much cooler. And when we get some larger tires and some different wheels for this truck, it'll look so much cooler, even more so. So big shout out to my friends over at Boost Auto Parts. They really hooked me up on this one. Really appreciate them sending this over to me. I've also got a really cool wireless charger that they sent me that I've installed in the center console as well. Another super easy OEM plug and play product. But you really do get what you pay for, guys, with these mirrors. Like I said earlier, you'll find plenty of options as far as tow mirrors go on the internet, but you will find very few good quality options that are a true OEM plug and play high quality fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave their instructional video for how to install these in the description below, as well as a link to the actual product. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.